with customers, I get their cars in here, kind of go over it with them, and once we have them in the shop, we kind of disassemble them, write an estimate, and then submit that to insurance, so then I can order the parts and get going on the repairs for them. So then I kind of oversee that whole process. We get asked quite a bit on, if we're going to use OEM parts and how we do things, and I think it is generally a pretty good concern for customers. Honestly, we probably do about 30% Teslas right now, and I believe Carliner is one of the few machines that they have approved to do the Teslas. I think it's very important, especially with all these cars that are pretty new. Most of them have things like sensors and radars. It's like a night and day difference. It's totally changed it. Things like ADAS and the radars, they won't calibrate if it's not aimed correctly, it's not aligned just right. So we really have to be on our game. Things have to be perfectly straight so that these safety features are working. So I think it helps them give them assurance, first of all, that they know, if you say something like your frame is bent or something, their eyes get big and they get worried. So I think if they know that we're using these things that can kind of really fine-tune and get it back to how it was pre-loss condition, I think that helps explain the depth and that we're doing it professionally, and also the kind of timeline on it, that it is a process still. It's a pretty invasive repair a lot of times, but I think being able to show them those measurements and the equipment we use helps kind of keep them at ease and understand where we're coming from.